Welcome back. This is another quick tutorial from Jessica Craftings. I'm going to show you how to make your sanding much more efficient. This is how I do my sanding for my bear tumblers in preparation for all the decorations and designing that we do, and this is also how I sand epoxy once it is on. What I've done is taken a PVC pipe and I made a wooden dowel, and then I put a nail in it and then I screwed that into the chuck. It's a little messy because this is like just for me, but here you can see the PVC pipe. The wooden dowel is glued in with JB Weld steel epoxy, and then there's a nail inside the chuck. I don't have my chuck key, so showing you that part will cause a huge headache because then I'll have to figure out how to close this once again. So I'm going to show you how it works real quick. I have my 120 sandpaper here, and I'm just going to hold it. I'm holding my sandpaper in my hand, touching it to the cup, and I'm going to spin it. Now, my dowel was not perfectly centered, so it's a little wobbly, but if you can get it just right, you will have zero issues. So okay, let's watch. There you go. Now I have no clue what kind of drill you have or what you're using, so I can't recommend this for just any drill. This is a very old drill. I did contact Black & Decker and asked about if the motor can take this much weight and this kind of abuse. They just don't know because it's never been tested on a method like this. But these drills are not meant to be spinning objects like a lathe. It's just not what they're meant for. But if you have a drill that you haven't used and you don't think you'll use again, it might be worth a shot, because if this works for you, now you have a use for that drill. I'm going to show you, I'm going to do this one more time, and then I'm going to wipe it down like you would normally do in your prep. There you go. That is your sanded tumbler. Do a quick wipe down with some denatured alcohol. If I can get out my pump. And even that part is much, much easier. Again, alcohol and paper towel. You're going to do this until it's completely clean and you see no more of the black stuff on there. And there you have it, your properly prepped, easily sanded cup. Less than 5 minutes of work. That equals a lot more time and a lot more energy that it takes to normally sand your cups. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video and can use these tips. If you can, let me know if you'd like more like this. Check out our group, Tumblr Universe, on Facebook. And, let me know how everything goes. Give this a thumbs up if it helps. And have a great day.
If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to click the bell button and subscribe.